decided we'd chase 60-degree weather all the way in our travels here in 2025. Here it is early April in Amarillo, Texas at the Big Texan RV Ranch. And boy, did we get a surprise.
Hold the door.
So here we are in winter wonderland. I think we went a little bit too far in our search for 60 degrees. Instead, we found 6 degrees. At least that's the feels like with all this blowing snow.
Whew. I think I need to get my gloves on.
Yeah, it's definitely cold out here.
And it's blowing.
Absolutely.
The camera's picking up the sideways. We're having gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Steady in the mid-20s on the wind. And feels like it's about 8 degrees out here. I think the actual temperature is like 30. But with the gusts and the wind combo, it's just a little chilly. But I'm getting back to some snow because I missed out when I had my knee replacements on the snowpocalypse in 21, and then the snow we had earlier this year in January back in Houston, in Magnolia. The girls have their coats on. This is a great park. They've got actually 4 different little dog yard areas, an enclosed heated swimming pool, a shuttle that takes you in the evening time to the Big Texan Steak Ranch, which is nice. Even though it's not far away, it's nice just not to have to drive to it. Whew. I think, dogs, y'all need to go or we're going back inside.
Let's go TT, come on.
Dolly, go TT.
Amber, is it cold out here for you?
Yep. Just my ears and my face that are, when that snow's blowing on it. I'm getting cold. The rest of me's okay. Oh, Dolly's prancing through the snow.
And of course our Aqua Hot, or Oasis on the new Mars, is definitely getting a workout today.
You covered in snow?
What you think about all this snow, huh? What's Dolly thinking? Dolly!
She says, I want to run through the snow.
What's
Watch
you
me.
thinking?
Watch. Go, Dolly, go. Go, Dolly, go.
You can follow us on YouTube at Road Trip RV, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like today's video. And if you want to subscribe to our channel, please click on the link and you can follow us with all of our videos as we travel across the United States. And if you want to be notified whenever we have new videos posted, you can click on the notification bell. Thank you and have a blessed day.